Learning counting principles through real-world examples, permutation and combinations, password problem. Before we start, let me introduce my group members. We are students from KMK 1103 Discrete Structure under Professor Dr. Lee Nung Kyon as our instructor. As for group members, there are 5 of us. First, I'm Bixel Joyce as group representative, Angelia Esther, Charlene Lela Roger, Kelvin Jaman, and Zachary Ethan Neil. Start with introduction. A permutation is known as the mathematical method that forms the number of possible arrangements in a set whereby the odds of arrangement matters. Commonly, mathematical problems require choosing only numbers of items from a set of items with a particular order. As for combination, a combination is an R combination of elements of a set that unordered selections of R elements from the set. The number of combinations n are taken from R at the same time that written as C bracket and R bracket. Let's study a scenario. Zina and Jane are both university students who live in campus. Both of them are roommates. Last Friday, Jane went back to her house. Meanwhile, Zina decided to stay in the room due to lots of group discussions on the weekend. On Sunday evening, Zina received a call from Jane. Jane called Zina because she forgot her laptop in the college. Jane asked Zina to help her to submit her assignment. Unfortunately, Zina did not have any access to Jane's laptop. After a few minutes, Zina has found a solution for her problem. Her problem is actually a permutation concept. For these problems, there are 8 columns to be filled. Each place has 10 choices for it. By multiplication, Zina will get 36 to the power of 8. The probabilities of Zina guessing the password is 1 out of 2821109090745 numbers that need 36 times by 8 times. If Zina succeeds in breaking into Jane's laptop, in order for Zina to access Jane's account, Zina needs to know her metric numbers, which required 5-digit numbers. As for these problems, there are 5 columns to be filled. Each place has 10 choices for it. By multiplication, Zina will get 10 to the power of 5. The probabilities of Zina guessing the right metric number is 1 out of 100,000. That 10 need to be times 5 times. Meanwhile, for Jane's passwords, she is using her own IC numbers. Since Zina knows Jane's birthday and which state she is from, Zina needs to guess 4-digit numbers of her IC numbers. For these problems, there are 4 columns to be filled. There are 10 numbers to fill each column. Let's find out the solution. Each column has 10 choices for it. By multiplication, Zina will get 10 to the power of 4. Based on the scenario, even though permutation and combination are different types of method when it comes on arranging objects of mathematical method, both have their own way of arrangement. It is very important because it functions of arranging numbers of mathematical expressions respectively. Thank you.